नमस्कार जय जगन्नाथ वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू आशा कर समस्त भल एग्जाम जाइए हाइकोर्ट एएसओ एग्जाम सरला आउ क्वेश्चन पेपर आसी पहुंची मो पाखे एंड इन दिस सेशन मु जीके रो कंप्लीट आंसर तुम मान सहित शेयर कर दूची 40टा जीके रो क्वेश्चन आसला बहुत इजी लेवल थिला तो चलो डिस्कस करिवा लेट न करिकी एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 सेकंड पार्ट राइट सेक्शन 2 रो जीके रो क्वेश्चन अछि एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 रो हमें डिस्कस करिवा मून लाइटिंग विषय रे पचाछि व्हिच वाज सीन इन द न्यूज इज रिलेटेड टू व्हिच फील्ड आई थिंक एटा हमें करंट अफेयर्स रे भी डिस्कस करछु मु जो करंट अफेयर नोट देइतिली सेइतरे भी थिला तो यार आंसर होछि पिले एम्प्लॉयमेंट सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर यस नेक्स्ट जिबा हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 42 को व्हिच कंपनी वाज अवॉर्डेड the Bengaluru Mysuru Expressway project. So this is Dilip Buildcon. Option A is the right answer. Okay. Next time jiba question number 43, which is the new location of Uttarakhand High Court as of 2022. तो 2022 हिसाब रे new location होची हल्द्वानी. Right. Option C is the right answer. Question number 44 को जिबा which union ministry awards the National Corporate Social Responsibility Award. तो CSR तो এটা হচ্ছে মিনিস্ট্রি অফ কর্পোরেট অ্যাফেয়ার্স সো অপশন বি ইজ দ্য রাইট আনসার নেক্সট 45th क्वेश्चन पंचायती राज दिवस इन ओडिशा इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन सो रिसेंटली जाइछि सो 5th मार्च इज द राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड हाईवे मिनिस्ट्री announced to scrap all government vehicles older than how many years so this is 15 years okay क्वेश्चन नंबर 47 who is known as the father of ओडिया नेशनलिज्म तो ओडिया नेशनलिज्म रो फादर होचंती फकीर मोहन सेनापति ओके सो को भी क्वेश्चन आंसर जदि डाउट लागुची तो माने कमेंट सेक्शन में जणाओ मु तो क्रॉस चेक करके भी तमन को शेयर करिवि राइट नेक्स्ट बटर इज अ व्हाट बटर इज अ फैट डिस्पर्स इन मिल्क ऑप्शन ए 20 degrees celsius is how many degree fahrenheit so this is 68 degree fahrenheit क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 को आसीबा व्हिच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज द फर्स्ट ओडिया डेली न्यूज़पेपर तो ओडिया डेली न्यूज़पेपर उत्कल दीपिका ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर which international adjudication forum recently issued arrest warrant against Vladimir Putin over Ukraine war crimes so this is ICC International Criminal Court option C is the right answer which Portuguese introduced the blue water policy in India the blue water policy Francisco de Almeida so option D is the right answer next is the first successful nuclear bomb test conducted by India in 1974 is called Smiling Buddha. Option D is the right answer. Which article of Indian Constitution empowers the High Courts to issue directions for the enforcement of fundamental rights? So we have discussed this so many times. Article 226, Article 32 for Supreme Court, and this is 226, right? Which is the largest district of Odisha by area? A very easy question. Mayurganj, I think, समस्त answer करते हो. Location wise, Ganjam, right? Which article of Indian Constitution lays down the state that the state shall endeavor to secure for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India? This is Article 44 DPSP part, right? Which song from the movie Triple R won the best original song at Oscar 2023? I think it is samaste very recently in news re dekhtibo Naatu Naatu. Ozempic, which was seen in news, is used to treat which disease? So this is diabetes. Option A is the right answer. The Reserve Bank of India recently signed MOU with which country's central bank to promote innovation in financial products. So this is UAE. So answer is UAE. Next is Caracas is the capital city of which country? So Caracas is the capital city of Venezuela. Option B is the right answer. Question number 61 को आसीबा in which state in India Odia language is the second official language. So this is Jharkhand. Option C is the right answer. Next is which was the first talkie feature, a film of India. So this is Alamara. Alamara. Option B is the right answer. When too much money is chasing too few goods. तो कम जिनस थिबो अधिका पैसा ताले सेटा कोन कोंदी इन्फ्लेशन सिचुएशन राइट which state's governor returned the prohibition of online gambling bill passed by the state cabinet so this is Tamil Nadu option B is the right answer which ministry implements the Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Janaushadhi Pariyojana so this is by Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers option A next is who was the founder of yoga philosophy ro founder hochandi Patanjali option D is the right answer the ancient university of Odisha, Pushpagiri, was located in which district of Odisha? So this is located in Jajpur. Which among the following is negated with the help of insurance? So this is risk. Risk is negated with the help of insurance. When was Odisha made into separate province by Britishers? So I think you all know. 1st April 1936. Next is which district has the lowest population in Odisha according to the census 2011? So census 2011 हिसाब रे सबुठु कम population कथा जदि हबा. So this is in where? I think समस्ते एटा गंजाम मु कहितली टिका गुरु होची highest एटा देवघर. Okay. Next is washing soda is the common name for. This is sodium carbonate. Option A is the right answer. The power to decide an election petition is vested in the high courts. Option C is the right answer. Made from a variety of materials such as carbon, which inhibits the flow of current. This is resistor. Option C, resistor. Okay. Next, which schedule of Indian Constitution incorporates provisions regarding anti-defection? I think samaste janicha 10th schedule. Who is known as Indian Bismarck? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. What was the strength of the bench of Supreme Court of India, which decided the triple talaq to be unconstitutional? The triple talaq 5 judge bench thila 3:2 majority re jaitile. Yes, the unity of which quantity is taken from Ohm's law? Resistance. Okay. Next is Bimbisara was the founder of which one of the following dynasty? This is Haryanka dynasty. Which poet is known as the Kavi Samrat? The Kavi Samrat Upendra Bhanja. Option C. What is the new name of Rajpath? I think এটা भी मन उठरे थिला राजपथ होची कर्तव्य पथ. Option B is the right answer. बहुत जल्दी मु आंसर करे देली. नेक्स्ट पार्ट को मु मैथ रीजनिंग इंग्लिश रो भी आंसर की आनी देबी. जो माने फर्स्ट टाइम अच्छे डू सब्सक्राइब गाइज एंड डू शेयर जेते ही परिवार को शेयर करो निज संग मान को सहित सो दैट आंसर की पहुंच जाओ. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वाचिंग. जय जगन्नाथ.